The city slows down significantly when the gentle rain starts to pour down. Streetlights flicker and shine through the water-drenched streets. Buildings take a deep breath as drifting clouds envelop them, and each raindrop becomes a silent storyteller. Cars cautiously move along the wet roads. Lights flicker and glow more warmly, and the city landscape seems to come alive. Yet, there is a sense of tranquility in this moment, as the rain gently becomes a melodic song, a soothing rhythm for weary hearts and wandering minds.